Hi guys, if your Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 is freezing, flashing the lights or not printing properly or refusing to turn on, a quick reset is definitely going to solve all of these problems in just a few minutes. So in this video, you are going to learn the safest way to reset your camera and solve most of these common problems. So first of all, you just have to twist the lens back inward in order to fully power off your camera. Just make sure that the lens is completely closed before moving to the next step. After doing so, you just have to simply open the battery compartment on the side of the camera as shown over here on this particular image. Now you just have to simply remove both the AA batteries and leave the batteries out for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Now this is going to help clear any kind of temporary power glitches that are stored inside the camera. While the batteries are removed, you can also inspect any metal batteries contacts inside the compartment. If you notice any dust, moisture or white residue, you just have to gently clean it using a dry cotton swab or soft cloth. So after doing so, you just have to simply reinsert the batteries and use a fresh pair of AA alkaline batteries. Then simply match the plus and the minus symbols correctly, because the incorrect placement can prevent the reset from working. After that, you just have to simply twist the lens outward again and you just have to turn the camera on. And now you just have to check whether the indicator light stops blinking normally, and you can also test a photo if film is loaded. So that's how you can reset it. Thank you.